Hey, welcome to WinForms graphics series. Here in this video, we are going to see how to draw a line and the circle along with it. In last video, we have seen how to draw a horizontal line in the WinForms. Now in this video, we are going to see how to draw a circle shape. So now first of all, if you see in this 2D surface, if I wanted to draw a circle which is going to be touched to this line, then at least I need to start from the 50 points before ending of this line. So I'm drawing this one, a ellipse shape, a circle. So trying to touch the center of the circle to the top edge of the circle. So for this circle, if I wanted to decide the coordinates for creating using the graphics library in the WinForms, so if you see, I am just starting this left top edge of the circle. It's almost 50 points before. So this line is ending, this x2 coordinates is ending to the 200 and it's starting from the 50. So it is coming almost the length of this line. If we use the formula, then it is to be a 150. So this coordinate for the left top x coordinate, it will be comes around the 150. So I will be writing these coordinates here. So this is going to be a 150, and for the y-axis it is touching to this almost this line, so it is already 50. So this x coordinate, x I am saying here, x and y. Now this ellipse or the circle shape is a bounding rectangle, so I need to define a width and the height as well. So already this 50 part is covered for this radius. So if 50 and I just multiply by 2, then it's going to be 100. So if I give this coordinate as 100 for height and width, if I give this 100 and 100, so it should define that kind of rectangle. So if I give this height and width is going to be 100 and 100. So this way my circle will be drawn it here for height and width of this bounding rectangle here. So now you will see in this WinForms how to pass these four values along with the pane. So this x 150, y 50, and height and width as a 100. We have the single button here and this WinForms, as we have seen in the how to draw a line that video. So here this code, we have this graphics object defining this pane object and calling this method as a draw line and passing these arguments. So now for this one, we are going to, what we are going to do, this step one is of the graphics design. We'll be copying and passing to the top level. So these two objects, graphics object and the pane object, will be passing at the top level. And same for the pane object, will be declaring at the class level. So we can remove this additional declaration from here, and easily we can call these two methods from here. So this initialization as well, we can cut it from here and we can move to the constructor level. So this initialization of this graphics and this calling this method, so this g will be getting assigned from this graphics object, and here as well this initialization of this pane we are moving to the constructor. So this is our constructor public drawing demo. Now in this button click, we left with the drawing of a line. So we're just trying to minimize the code in this button click event. Now in this one, we wanted to draw a circle as well. So here draw circle, or you can say ellipse, because the method which we have available in this library is a ellipse. So g dot ellipse, draw ellipse. So for this ellipse, if you see this overloaded method for here, we have to pass the pane and then top left coordinate for this x-axis and top left corner of this y-axis and the width and the height. So these four parameters we have to pass it here from here. First of all, we'll pass the pane object and then we'll be passing, as we decided, the coordinates. X coordinate is a 150, y coordinate is a 50, and 100 width and 100 height. So now if I will be running this code, then it will execute in such a way that, so the horizontal line which we are going to draw it here, so this ellipse of the circle should exactly touch to the center, should be coming into the same kind of coordinate for this ellipse and the ending of this line. So I'll run this one. Click on this draw line, so you can see exactly how we have defined in our, while manually drawing this circle and the horizontal line, it is looking like the same.